Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Poco M6 Plus. For that you will have several ways for. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons. So you will need the power button for and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just a short together and you're having a screenshot. After you can see the preview and you can send it directly with WhatsApp, Telegram to your friends and so on. One more time, the power button and the volume down button just a short together and you're having a screenshot. If you tap now on the preview, you're also able to crop here a part of the screenshot, what is very useful if you want to capture maybe a picture from a website or something like this. After, just tap here on the checkbox and it will be part of your gallery. There's a second way to take a screenshot, and for that just scroll down your Y next to the camera, scroll down Y next to the camera, because then you will have here the control center and a part of it is here the icon with a scissor in it. With this you can have a screenshot here as well. But the coolest way to have a screenshot is with 3 fingers. So take 3 fingers, swipe them across the screen and you're having a screenshot here as well. One more time. Take 3 fingers, swipe them across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. Here where to find the screenshots after, of course you had the gallery. And yeah, you have the photos there mixed up with the photos and videos you have done with your camera. So this is why I recommend to you to go always to the albums, because your screenshots have here their own folder only for your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.